Sure, and I think the thinking and the ideology behind having such a guest
to do, I have no control over it.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
changes. It's temporal, but there's a certain aspect of ourselves that is actually eternal. So, and it's dualistic. So you have to.
And you decide you want to climb back up. I mean, in your case, you fell down and you really splattered on the ground. You know what I mean? But you get up, get yourself together, and you climb back up the.
Yeah, I mean, he's out there. He does his thing. I think he's
did a little run. Here, I'll tell you, you're okay. Maybe there's room for me on your show. No.
So, A. Martinez shows up after.
You concentrate hard enough, you can fly. You can jump off a building and fly.
But doesn't mean I can't get my sunshine, if you know what I mean.
High or drunk all the time. I always talk like, well, people probably think that about you as well.
Cool,
It is cool.
Yeah. I have a cream.
No, and that's not what I mean.
Come on, Jim.
And I talked the lobster talk, and then they were cool with it.
So you had it. Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging.
You ready to?
I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.